Hello, welcome to Alteryx Designer Cloud Discovery Series. So today we are going to explore Plans, which is an orchestrator for Alteryx, mainly for cloud, but also can be used with desktop in some cases. So I pre-built a plan and will explain quite a few things on it and pre-built some workflow to give you a glimpse on what it can do. So in my case, I do have a few workflows. So here I have like first workflow, which prepares data from products data. So just a tiny bit here. I do the same for my sales data, making my date straight, making my numbers straight. Everything needs to be clean and neat. Doing the same also for my customers, where I identified some duplicates and I know I want them to not be in my final dataset. And finally, just joining my fields, but could have been a more complex process, of course. So the goal of plans is to allow you to, by chaining different apps, like you can chain workflows, and here you can select a workflow to run. And what it does is it's allowing you to, when it's a success or when it has run, launch the next one. So this is really typical for orchestration purposes, and it's really nice from Alteryx to have this, because on server we weren't used to have this kind of product, and this allows there to just chain different workflow. For instance, if you are like a first which is on heavy relying on preparation and then doing analysis based on the result of the first workflow in different processes, you can then chain them the way you want. Also, you can chain them on success or on failure, which is really a great thing. For instance, here I have my first workflow, which is basically customers. So if every time it runs, it will launch the next one, which is products. Then if products run, when it is run, it will launch the sales. But if the sales is a success, and only if it's a success, I can run the aggregate, which is the final workflow where I join the three files together. And then if it's a success, I can update a report. So I use the reporting. There will be another video on the reporting part, by the way. And this is really great because it allows you to chain the apps, orchestrate everything, and then instead of scheduling this workflow plus this workflow plus this workflow, etc., you can schedule only this plan and then make sure that your plan is working as expected. Also, good use cases could be, for instance, if this workflow fails, you can launch another one. And then let's say here, if this one fails, I want to run demo prep and blend, which is another demo workflow I do have here. Or even if it fails, you can even like send a Slack message. I don't have any Slack account, so I won't be able to demo this live, but this is really powerful since it allows you to chain your app and make meaningful processes instead of having to develop the whole thing in one workflow, one huge workflow, which will be quite hard to manage on the long term, on the long run. So this is for plans, so quite simple to use. Only constraint I would say is to have different workflow built and that those workflows need to be chained. If not, if there is no need, you can directly schedule the workflow. So this was for plan. Was a pleasure presenting this to you, and hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a great day.